This is Bayajid Rahman Khan, a permanent citizen of Bangladesh by born. Completed graduation degree in mathematics from Khulna University, Khulna in 2011, and also completed post graduation in applied mathematics from the same university in 2013. From the primary stage of education, I mean from my childhood, I was very much keen to different socio-cultural activity like debate, extempore speech, poem recitation, and so on. I also favor to do something always in a team, and now and then our team did sound under my leadership. From the fascination to discipline and leadership, I joined scouts in my school level and took part some regional and national jamborees. And in university level, I also have been linked with Bangladesh National Cadet Corps BNCC Navy for a long time. Since it was a very marginal, underdeveloped village where I born and completed up to higher secondary education, so I had not even a sufficient facilities to connecting myself with different versatile extracurricular activities. In the university level, when I left my village and came up to a small city named Khulna, I got some facilities to appoint myself with several socio-cultural organizations. I joined Khulna University Debate Club and took part a number of different debate competition in national level, most of which I was the team leader. I with my team also attend numerous television and radio debate. In 2010, I achieved the position of president of this debate club for 2 years. I have a strong fascination in development sector, especially to work for the betterment of the marginal level people of the society like women, farmer and day labor etc. And for that, I myself got appointed into a local NGO working with landless farmer named Samaj Pragati Samstha as a training officer for 3 years. There I had to arrange and monitoring the training, seminar, workshop for them. From 2007, I have been working in Khulna local station of Bangladesh Radio, the government radio station of Bangladesh, as a presenter, announcer, program planner and scriptwriter. I am also now a voluntary human rights defender of two human rights based organizations in Bangladesh named Odhikar and Bangladesh Manavadhikar Bastobayan Samstha, where with the support of this organization we arrange different awareness program and attend different case studies. I am working in Shamukal, a leading Bangla national daily, as a university reporter, where it is my regular duty to maintain a relationship chain with students, teachers, and officials, and also with the university administration for fact finding and preparing investigate reports and features. In my student life, I attend a number of national seminar, workshop and training on journalism, human right to information act, HIV/AIDS, local governments and decentralizations, women empowerment and on debate, presentation, etc. We know that Bangladesh, my sweet motherland, is passing through a trying time now with its political unrest and instability of its constitutional and democratic institutions, and above all, its politically unconscious mass people. The country reaches a vulnerable situation in every election period. Political killing is a daily event of news media here, and the ruling party always behaves like a dictator. Political collisions between ruling and opposition party and their ally cause a great damage of its people. Good governance and justice are quite absent here. In this situation, I want to do something for the betterment of this condition with my little knowledge and experiences which is being gathered till now and with additional knowledge in future. Mainly, I want to make a plan and implement it for increasing the awareness of their political right of the people and for making sure of participation of them in government. I do believe general people is the actual owner of the country, but they even do not aware of it, and political leaders take this opportunity of unawareness of them and acts as the like so. It should be stopped, it should be changed, and someone should be done something for them like me.